Hello guys! So today we are going to make cookies and our friends Rahel and Ite.
Guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue.
And for the ingredients, there are sugar, butter, chocolate chips, palm sugar, cream cheese, cocoa powder, milk, flour, vanilla essence, red food coloring, baking soda, and white chocolate. First, you can add some butter, and then you can add a cup of sugar and a cup of palm sugar, and you can start mixing it up. Crack an egg and start mixing it up again. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Don't forget to add some flour, and you can start to mixing it. And add some baking soda. Add some salt. And the last ingredient is chocolate chips. And as always, you can start to mixing it. Once the dough is ready, you can start forming the dough into a round shape. After forming the dough, you can refrigerate it for 40 until 30 minutes. After refrigerated for 30 until 40 minutes, you can now bake it. Bake for 10 until 12 minutes or until slightly golden around the edges. Now we can start with the red velvet cookie. First, you can add butter and salt. Add vanilla essence and 3 spoons of palm sugar. And also add some flour. And now you guys can start to mixing all the ingredients that we already put. Mixing it until it turned like this, and you can add some red food coloring. Wow, the color is really pretty. Add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Now we can start to mixing it again. Because of the color is too bright, I think I need to add some more food coloring. And now we can add some flour, and we can crack an egg, and we can start to mixing all the ingredients. The dough is finally ready, and we can start to forming the dough into a round shape. After forming it into a round shape, we can put cream cheese on top of it and start to roll it, or you can start to forming it into a round shape, like a really round shape, like this. After done forming the dough, we can start to refrigerate it for 30 until 40 minutes. Now we can start to cut the white chocolate. cut it into a smaller piece. Now put the white chocolate on top of the cookie dough. And finally, the last part is baking the cookies for 10 until 12 minutes. Thank you for watching.